Billie Jean. Do you like beans, but find that they come in a sensible container that is reasonably sized for proportions and storage? Then you need a tub of beans. We went to Costco and bought several $1,000s worth of baked beans and those offensively sized cheese ball containers. We then had to eat a lot of cheese balls. Why did we do this, you ask? Fuck you, that's why. We love our customers so much. Here's one of their live testimonies right now.
And as you can see, Tom, we should be expecting some relatively cloudy weather. What are you doing? Stop filming me. Stop filming me. Back to you, Tom. Tom!
Oh my God! Celebrity endorser Dave Grohl loves this idea and invited us into his home just to try it out.
Oh my God, you're insane, you know that? I don't know if I can take the beans anymore.
Dave Grohl, everybody.
Look, but I don't know what you want from me, man. Is it money? Do you want, I do autographs. No, you don't have to do this.
Open wide. No. There you go.
Oh, no.
Dave Grohl, everybody. What a wonderful host. Get out of here, scumbag. Oh. Just like Mama used to make. Now you can be as cool as me, kids.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy! We're not worthy! We're scum! We suck!
I just miss my wife and kids so much.
Call your doctor today if you think Tubbo Beans is right for you. If they understandably say no, then contact your local drug dealer who hangs out behind the CVS. Side effects of Tubbo Beans include excessive flatulence, increased heart rate, and noticeable staring at your fellow man as if they were food. Other side effects include reverse constipation, arousal while attending musical theater performances, and an overwhelming urge to abandon your loved ones and return to nature. If you noticed an increased sensitivity to sad films where a dog dies, then do not worry. That is natural. If you think Tub of Beans is right for you, call now and receive a complimentary bean straw.
1 week later.
Oh, yeah.
Lock and load, whore.
Cool, I'm ready. What are we gonna do?
What we're gonna do? Make them bust. Make a bust.
What?
FBI!
Meanwhile.
Wait, are we rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, well, hey, it's been a great 2 weeks. We've done a lot of good work here, but I think the pizza is finally here.
FBI!
Let's do this!
Let me see your ass!
Oh,
Get down!
Oh, you
Get
feisty!
down!
Oh, you feisty! You know you guys are making a huge
You have
mistake.
the right to have sex with your attorney.
You're gonna regret this. I'm an immortal chaos being, okay? I've been alive for 1,000 years. I'll live 1,000 more.
Oh, a little rough, are we?
Fetal position, you fucking orphan. Everything you quit, say and do will end up on YouTube.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Coming home with me, Daddy.